Welcome back. Think you can guess these animated classics in 4 seconds? Let's find out. Before we start, if you enjoyed the quiz, be sure to like and subscribe for more. First one.
Well said, Emmett. Well said.
Really? The Lego Movie.
Daddy!
Stop!
Turn back!
Turn!
Finding Nemo. My Neighbor Totoro. Soul.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man?
Shrek.
You are late.
1,000 apologies.
Aladdin.
It's Krista! Ow! Ah!
Frozen. Toy Story.
They must be joking.
Ratatouille. Spirited Away. Wall-E.
You stay.
The Iron Giant.
It's mine.
Cinderella.
Hola.
Sassy.
Coco. Frozen 2. Up.
Mommy! Mommy!
Wolfwalkers.
Boo!
Let's get out of here.
The Jungle Book.
Mickey Mouse!
How to Train Your Dragon. The Hidden World. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. The Nightmare Before Christmas.
I always feared you would become that which you fought against.
Batman, Mask of the Phantasm.
Pal at the DMV. Flash is the fastest guy in.
Zootopia.
I guess it's just another one of their...
Dumbo. Chicken Run. Akira. Toy Story 4. The Hunchback of Notre Dame.
Walking around on those, what do you call them?
The Little Mermaid.
I'm a princess too. Wait, what? Yeah, princess.
Ralph Breaks the Internet.
When she...
Toy Story 2.
They call me Mr. Pig!
The Lion King.
That was a deliberate attempt on my life! Where is she?
Mulan. Princess Mononoke.
Cast off. Unloved. Unwanted.
Toy Story 3.
Do they eat gravy? Well, here comes the gravy train.
Coraline. The Incredibles.
Bucket.
Monsters, Inc. The Curse of the War Rabbit. Beauty and the Beast. Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. Grave of the Fireflies. Wreck-It Ralph.
Well, then stop staring at my butt!
Persepolis.
Yes.
Bambi. How to Train Your Dragon 2. How to Train Your Dragon. Sleeping Beauty. Fantasia.
Talk to them. Are you kidding? We're not talking to them. We want them to like us.
Inside Out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your score below.